This is the 3D pen, a creative tool that lets you turn simple ideas into real three-dimensional designs.
Create eye-catching 3D art, decorative shapes, and custom crafts that stand out far beyond flat sketches.
Use it to personalize everyday items with raised textures, outlines, and custom design details. Need a quick plastic touch-up? A 3D pen can help reinforce small parts and simple fixes with precision. From quick prototypes to learning models, this tool makes building ideas faster, more visual, and more hands-on.
One tool, endless creative possibilities. Explore what a 3D pen can do and bring your imagination to life.